Hello folks, this is Mark with Lean ISO Management Systems. Welcome back to our channel. In the previous video, we discussed action plans and how to align them with the root causes. If you missed that clip, check the links below to catch up. Today, we're moving on to a critical step, verifying the effectiveness of the corrective actions. Before we dive in, take a second to subscribe so you never miss our next releases. What happens more often than not is that effectiveness verification becomes a checkbox ritual. The procedure was revised, so it must be effective. Training? We did it. Here's the record. Done. But let's be honest, just because a bad procedure was revised doesn't mean it's effective. Effectiveness means the problem doesn't happen again because the new process works better. So, in this step, we're not asking if the action is completed. We're asking if it will fix the problem. The simplest way to get there is to document your planned verification method and define the criteria for success. Let's revisit our example. The nonconformity stated that an employee in the new position wasn't trained because the training matrix didn't capture new positions or assign training. Our corrective actions were to revise the training matrix and perform validation. We updated the matrix from revision 3 to 4. Validation showed that new positions could now be added and training assigned. This was a good start, but how can we demonstrate that the revised process is effective? In practice, people often confuse verification, validation, and effectiveness. Let's sort that out. Since we didn't want to wait for a new hire, we planned a simulation to verify its effectiveness. That simulation would test whether the new matrix catches new positions and triggers training. In the following step, we document the acceptance criteria for the evaluation. The training process should detect newly created positions and allow assignment of required training accordingly. Next, we determine if the evaluation can be performed without delay. In many cases, immediate evaluation may be impossible, as we may wait for the customer's or a supplier's response. We may need to wait for the representative process performance trends, etc. Our case is simple. We can evaluate effectiveness right away. Verification lists the actions that we took to demonstrate the effectiveness. HR created a test position and submitted it to the training coordinator, who confirmed that the position was entered into the training matrix and that the required training was assigned to the new position. Then, we answer the final question. Was the corrective action effective? If not, we would have planned further actions. In our case, we confirmed success and moved on. Last, we close the section. Who performed the verification, when, and how much time was spent? This is all for today, folks. Let's summarize what we covered in this video. Define the method of verification. Set criteria for success. Decide if verification can happen now or must wait. Record what was done to prove effectiveness. Confirm if the outcome was successful. In our next video, we'll look at the lessons learned feature, how to assess the cost of non-conformance, and when it's worth applying such a detailed CAPA process. As always, check out the free resources on our website. If interested, use the link below to download a PDF copy of the complete CAPA process. Please like, repost, and subscribe if you find this video helpful. Your support helps us grow the Lean ISO community. Thanks for watching, stay lean, and see you next time.